Okay guys, welcome back. I believe this is my last Kyosho Mini Z unboxing vid. I believe so. I've threatened that so many times and I've believed that so many times, but I don't know the future. And I've always come across some shells that I never thought I'd get hold of, and I have. So that's why the last video kicked off with the gold Lamborghini and the Ford 150. Never even knew about them. And this one, it was the chrome Hummer and the Zent body shell that kicked this off. So I'm kind of done. As I said, there's only one shell I want. I don't know if I'm going to find that because he even sells in Japan. Can't get hold of that one. As time goes on, I might get hold of it. But as far as unboxings, guys, I think you're fed up. I'm getting fed up. I think we need to stop. I can't take this anymore. Anyhow, so this is the last vid. Behind me you can see the tanks. There's a British Challenger number 2. There's the US MA14, I think. And then there's the Tiger 1. These are pretty cool, guys. I mean, I haven't been to tanks for a while. Check them out. I'm going to unbox them after this. So, yeah, worth watching, guys. If you haven't played with tanks for a long time, you're going to be shocked. Trust me, you're going to be shocked. Them things fire BBs and they hurt. I'm looking to do BB dodgeball. Find some people to do it with. And you can even put, now this is between us guys, right? You can even put paintball BBs in there. So I'm not going to tell the people I'm going to shoot them at yet. And they're red, so it looks like they've been shot. Anyhow, look out for that. That's going to come after this is all done. Right guys, 2 little boxes left. And really guys, as far as I know, I am done. As far as I know. This was just a bit of a whim, a bit of an idea that I had, guys. You know, I wanted to see there's Mini Q and Mini D. Don't know anything about them, but the dimensions are pretty similar to Mini Z's. Now, these shells were advertised as not fitting Mini Z's, but the wheelbase and everything was the same. So, you know, in my mind, guys, I'm thinking, I wonder if they'll fit. Anyhow, at the same time, I ordered some wheels. I got some alloy wheels. So, you know me, guys, I like the logo on the wheels. Black. I actually ordered gunmetal. Yeah, I got it wrong. So I asked for a refund and they gave me half the money back. But yeah, I didn't want black. I wanted gunmetal. Anyhow, so I ended up with black. And then these are all drifting wheels, by the way. And here we've got some with the red lip. And these are kind of like a gunmetal colour. So they'll look pretty cool on shells, and most of these are the actual drift style fitting, not the circular one that you find on the MR03 and all them. And I've got 2 of these, and they're the same. And basically the reason why I got 2 is because you have 2 narrow ones and 2 wide ones. And I thought, you know, some cars I could probably put wide on both, on the front and the back, and on some cars I could probably put narrow on the front and back as well. So I got 2 sets just to cover me on that. Bit bland getting chrome, but you know what, guys, chrome still looks killer though. Still looks killer, and again it's that same fitting. So yeah, I'd ordered this stuff anyway, guys. I don't normally order on places like what's it called, AliExpress, but yeah, so I got it from. They weren't really that cheap, you know, guys. Just a little bit cheaper than what you'd expect, but not crazy cheap. Well, I was thinking, oh, it's China, it should be really cheap. Anyhow, this is what kind of tickled my fancy, guys. You know, like chrome. I've never seen a green chrome car. This has got some Mad Max craziness going on here. It looks nuts. Oh, look at this. It's like corrugated, I don't know, alloy that they've... You see the little pin sticking out. There's no glue used. And they've like pinned it on the inside, and all of it are like sections of metal. It looks mean that have all been put together. Now only the windshield is plastic, but the rest of it, that back looks kind of mean, is all alloy. And even you can look at the fenders, they've kind of like been, like real panels been stuck on. So, and this isn't heavy. The other one I got is shockingly heavy, but this one's not heavy. So they're made for the Mini Q. Right. The only issue is, now I didn't know anything about these. They're made out of metal for a reason, because to mount them onto the Mini Qs, they use magnets. and that's the problem. But I reckon if I put a bit of Velcro there and had a raised bit on my Mini Z chassis, I could Velcro it in, yeah? Or I could put magnets in my Mini Z. The wheelbase should be 98mm, so let's have a look. It's not going to fit properly, guys, because I've got the Lamborghini thingy mount, front mount is really long. But that's kind of what it would look like if you were able to mount it, which I can't. Anyhow, so that's just to give you a bit of an idea. It's not really lining up that well, but yeah, just to give you a bit of an idea, guys. But that's really some Mad Max craziness, man. The way that's been put together, it proper is. It's like little panel sections. It's proper intricate, man. I don't know if you can tell, but all of them are like little panels that have been stuck on. Not stuck. They've kind of been, they've got like pins and they've been pushed into holes and stuff like that. So yeah, so that one, pretty cool. I'm going to find a way to make it fit. But that I don't mind. It's not heavy. It's doable. Do you get it? So, I like the front grills. Kind of mean. Right. The one that I really did like was the second one that's coming up now. Right. But boy, is this thing... This thing's as heavy as that shell and all the wheels put together. It's really heavy. Shockingly heavy. I don't know how these Mini Qs, I don't know what kind of motors they've got to push this thing around. This thing is a blooming heavy, man. Looks good though. Looks good. Mini Zs, sort yourselves out, man. Get one of these. Oh my god, look at that. It is proper. How the flip is that? Right, you got your front under your bumper. So you got your rear diffuser there, which you got to screw on, and then the front one is basically to hold your bumper in, and it needs to get attached to there. But this is just like bumpers. That's light. The only thing that's probably plastic of the whole car. This is just like when you get them model cars that are metal. They got to build up, just like that. I didn't expect that at all. The body shell is beautiful though. That is nice. Just what I wanted, but not with that weight. Not with that weight. Mini Zs aren't going anywhere with this on. No way. You're gonna need some brushless motor and some LiPo batteries, man. That, I suppose it'd be stable, because that's, wow, that must be like 400 grams or something, if not more. It's heavy, man. It's heavy. So let's have a look. Will this go underneath it? Is it the same magnet thing? Check the wheelbase. Yeah, it does seem like the wheelbase is like a 98. So yeah, but it's not going to work, man. That's just too heavy. But Kyosho need to bring out this type of body shell. I like these BMWs, man. With the spoiler, looks really nice. But yeah, so the green one, not heavy really. The green one's probably twice. Oh man, it's probably about 4 times lighter than this one. The green one's okay. If you want to mod it, you could fit it, right? But this one, whoa. It's got some serious weight to it, man. Serious weight. It's 4 or 5 times heavier than the green one. So I won't be surprised if that was like over 500-600 grams. Too heavy for a Mini Z. But it looks really cool. Right guys, I do believe I got to the end. I think. You know, whenever I think I have, there's always something that pops up that I find later on and think, oh man, why did I unbox that? Anyhow, I think I got to the end. I hope so. I need closure, man. You guys need closure. I don't know what number I've got to. Is this got to 60? I don't know. The last one's got to about 40 something. Did it 50? I don't know. This, if it's got to 60, that's shocking. But yeah, as I said, I've still got a few things to come. I am not doing this, guys. I'm not going to do it to you. I'm not going to do it to me. Let's stop. Let's stop. It's getting out of hand. It's getting out of control. Let's quit while we're ahead. It's been fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey, because I did. But more importantly, let's get these little bad boys in some vids and drive them about. And even more importantly, let's get some tanks out and smash them to bits. Check out the unboxing of the tanks after I've finished all this now. Tanks are next, guys. And if you haven't had an RC tank, right, you're in for a surprise, man. You're in for a surprise. I was surprised. I've looked at them, my friends have had them, but I've never really... But since they've gone to 2.4 gigahertz and they've got steel gearboxes, metal tracks, metal hubs, metal wheels, metal idler gears, it's a game changer. You don't have them same issues with tracks falling off or your plastic gears mashing up. I think I've got into stuff at the right time. Same with Mini Zs. I didn't get into them when it was the MR01. Couldn't do the 27 megahertz rubbish. So yep, so now they've come out with the version 6 of these tanks, which basically means it's got an upgraded sound system. It's 2.4 gigahertz. You've got 4 sounds to pick from. It's cool. When it shoots, guys, it's got that recoil like a real tank. Pretty fast compared to normal tanks, guys. But man, they're fun. They're fun. And you could hurt people with them. Yeah, it's tempting. Anyhow, what I'm planning on doing is getting, you know, the 3 of them. So I'll get 3 friends and we just shoot each other. Yeah, it should just be like guys with shorts on and no tops and get stung by these BBs. Yeah, anyway. So, I don't know. I've got to find some crazy people to do that with me. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, guys. I will leave you alone. Hopefully you won't see... I don't think that Porsche is going to turn up that I want. So, I don't think you're going to see it. Maybe in the distant future, you might see another one just pop up. Because I managed to get something that I really wanted years ago. But at this moment in time, no. No. We are done, baby. It's over. Get on with your life, guys. I'm gonna... Anyhow. So, thanks for being on the journey, guys. Subscribe, get notified. And yeah, man. The sun is coming out. Winter's coming to an end. Spring is starting. And I need to get out with quads. Make some tank videos outside. Get the X-Max sorted out. And get blazing, man. Get some speed runs going on. It was fun. I enjoyed the Mini Zs. And if I'm inside... cool, I'm gonna make some race vids, guys, and they're gonna be different. You know, the last one I did, I was a bit rusty, but I'm gonna make some crazy ones, guys. I've got construction stuff, got trains going on there, bridges, different types of track, you know, drifting track, the normal street tracks that I've got, different backgrounds, yeah, and tanks and monster trucks to smash everything to bits. All on the crazy taxi video as well. Right. Okay, guys, thanks. And if you subscribe, guys, much appreciated. And tell me what you want, man. Yeah, we'll try and get some videos out there that you guys enjoy and that you like. So even though these are done, I've got other Mini Z videos I'll be bringing out. And they're just collections of stuff like certain types of cars, alloy wheels, Red Bull editions. So, you know, they're just me putting collections together. But yeah, the unboxings, the nightmare is finally over. On that note, guys, catch you later. Subscribe, get notified, and stay RC tuned to Mossy5734. Okay, guys, so here we've got what seems to be a version that's similar to the Toyota AE86. This is the Mini Q version, guys, and as I mentioned, it's made out of aluminium. It's put together like a real car, but it's got that raw, blocky Mad Max kind of look to it. The wheelbase will fit for Mini Zs, but there's no side mounting rails, you have to put them on, and there's no mount for the front where Mini Z's got specific ones for each car. So it's a cool looking shell. I thought for street races it is mean. It looks mean, man. It's got quite a menacing, gnarly kind of look to it, but it's just mounting it. It's going to be a problem. But where there's a will, let's see what we can do. It was the chrome that kind of pulled me in. I've got blue chrome, red chrome. I've never seen green chrome. I don't think there's a Mini Z I've ever come across with green chrome, and that was like, whoa, that's interesting. If it fits, it'll be amazing. So I think what I've got to do is either use magnets or I place a raised platform, kind of glue it onto the chassis with Velcro attached to it and Velcro attached to the shell, and it basically just sits on, and it's got to be strong Velcro that doesn't come off when you take the shell off. So that's the way it's going to work. Not really a wide shell, this is more like a narrow one. As you can see, the back wheels are sticking out, so it's got to basically fit under the rear fenders. But it is a mean looking thing, man. Mini Z's have got nothing like that. You know, it's proper metal, it's proper all panelled, put together, and looks like a proper Mini. I like it. I like it. We need to figure out a way to get that in the street bids. So yeah. Stay tuned for that, guys. And if any of you have figured out a better way than what I've just mentioned to mount that to a Mini Z, then let me know, guys, because I'm all ears. Call me Dumbo. Maybe, I mean, I won't be the first person to do this. So if some of you guys have done this before, hit me up, man, let me know. I'm there to take ideas from you guys as well. But that has got some appeal. I like that. I like that. I like the way it's gone with them wheels, and I think that will look killer. And I really would like to have the rear wheels stuck out a bit as well, if it doesn't get in the way of the fender. So, okay, getting to the end. Wow, can't believe this is happening, guys. Right, I'm going to show you them slot car trucks. Have a 360 spin, look at them, tell me which one you think you guys like, and that's the one we'll convert. Right, guys, just giving this BMW, is it Z1? Can't remember, but quick whiz on here. Obviously it needs parts fitting, needs a spoiler fitting, the rear diffuser, and the bit that goes with the bumper as well. Again, I don't know if I'm going to use it, it's too heavy, really heavy, guys. And it's really wide. I mean, that is, the dummy chassis is from the Audi R8. That's there now, so that's already quite a wide dummy chassis, and it's not getting, you know, it's not getting under the arches really. One side's better than the other. That is really wide. Don't get me wrong, I like it wide. I'm going to have a little think about what kind of offset we'll have to use, because I think we'll have to go for something like 4.5mm or something like that on the back. The back fender does stick out. The car tapers out towards the back. It's funky, but just got to find the right wheels for it. But they might not be the coolest wheels, and that's where problems kick in. So maybe the Mini Q is has a wider stance. The chassis is probably a lot wider than the Mini Z's, I'm not sure. But I am shocked if that thing can drive fast with that massive heavy thing on top of it. That thing's got some weight, man. Shocking. It's a weapon, you can knock somebody out with that. Anyhow, thought I'd give it a quick spin on there, guys, before we move on. There's potential. That potentially was an amazing body shell, but really, you're going to drain your batteries really quickly if you put that on a Mini Z. And I don't think you're going to go fast. Drifting wise, you might be okay. And if you've got a pocket rocket, that extra weight may help it become a little bit more stable at high speeds. But yeah, I used to Mini Z's, I thought it's going to be pretty light. The other one, which is like the Toyota E86, the green chrome one, isn't too heavy, but this little beast has got some weight to it. So let's see, I have to think of something. But I do like the shell, man. The shell is nice, has potential. Would look really cool in street vids. But we're going to have to look into this. Right, guys, let's put the other one on and then move on.